Guys, sorry guys, I didn't upload any videos to the YouTube because I just got a cough and cold. God. So I just apologize because I just got a measles. See, but it's all gone. But in the stomach, you'll see still appears, and my measles is getting much better right now. But I cannot go anywhere, even my friend's house. That's why my voice is like. In Indonesia, we call it bina. I don't know how to spell it into English. I don't know. But that's okay, guys. I just next time if I just gotta heal, I will upload more videos. And after I didn't go to anywhere. Well, in here, especially in urgent situation, I must go sleep at 10 p.m. In here, in Indonesia, it's 10 p.m. right now. It's night. You'll see, it's the night. And you just have to see the clock. Here. See? It was on the mood of Indonesian girl, and we usually use some like Chinese here, but woo, the camera is shaking too, but that's okay. Next time I will upload new videos every week, especially at the weekend, because if not weekend I cannot upload some videos. Sorry guys, my voice is getting not much better. Nope. Because I have a cough and good. I sneezing every time, but that's okay. Flu is things you have to worry about. You just have to buy the medicine and you drink it. That's it. No one's worried about flu. Like that bolster. She just got flu right now. Oof. See? Poor bolster. Oh shit. Poor bolster. Get well soon. Well, I'm talking to bolster, but I thought she was in well condition, and she was alright. She just has to drink a medicine routine, and she will back to well soon. I don't know when. Poor. So that was my apologies for my YouTubers and for my subscribers that I didn't upload any videos because I'm sick and I just got measles and I got flu and I got cough and fever and dizzy. So bye guys.